Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
The Bank of Jamaica BOJ is to spend more than $1 million to produce the new banknotes which will be introduced in the island later this year. The BOJ said while it could not disclose the exact cost of printing the new notes, it has spent $7 million or just over $1 billion per annum over the past 3 years to print banknotes. Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries Pernell Charles Jr. is urging calm and has appealed for a calculated approach to managing the effects of a global food shortage. Though pointing to record-level crop production in Jamaica, the minister concedes that food prices have been on the rise since the pandemic and that prices will continue to increase due to shortages in raw material as a result of disruptions in global supply chains.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.